Welcome to our tutorial on creating a parts master in the Dealer Team Parts app. In this video, you'll learn how to create and edit each section of a parts master record. Let's start by navigating to the Parts Master tab and clicking New Parts Master. Select the manufacturer from the list and fill in the part number, description, pack quantity, cost, and retail price. Click Save to create the new parts master. You can edit the parts master record to add more information. Click Edit. Let's break down the sections in the parts master record. The part details section contains general information of the record, like number, description, status, and manufacturer. The price status section contains all the pricing information. The pack quantity field is used to record parts that have more than one item to a pack. All purchase orders for this part will respect the pack quantity pricing on receipt. The specifications section contains sizing information like width, height, length, and weight. The definition elements section contains identifying numbers for the part. In the images catalog information section, you can upload images and use any text resources. Click Save to keep changes made. You can use this parts master, which is a global record, to add a new part inventory, which is a local record. Click New. Most fields will auto-populate with information from the related parts master. You can manually set values for bin, source list, product tax codes, and stocking group, which are optional fields. Click Create New to complete the process. That concludes our tutorial on creating and editing the parts master. Thank you for watching.